Wicked. For Good is coughing with COVID right on opening night. Ariana Grande gets COVID on opening day. Wicked, For Good hits theaters with mixed reviews. Critics are fighting, fans are crying, and somehow AI plus musicals are giving us a mirror to society's chaos. The Daily World Pod by ZebraTruth just dropped a wild episode, and Wicked fans, you're gonna feel this one. In today's pod, why Wicked's finale is both magical and messy. Ariana Grande mas Cynthia Erivo's powerful performances, how big musicals plus AI reflect our democracy, identity, pressure, and culture wars. Analyst versus Critic versus Idealist versus Realist, 4 takes. 0 yelling, a conversation that's actually thoughtful. Yes, on the internet. And yes, the guest cracks jokes. Don't worry.